I think first to start with, compliance in itself is very vast. Whether it's internal policy compliance, customer compliance, regulatory compliance, there are various sort of compliance which may be written quality, etc., right? In today's world, first of all, it is very difficult to keep track of compliances, and one can't leave it to manual checks and controls. For us, compliance are something which are non-negotiable. Hence, first to address the regulatory compliances, what we have done is we have implemented an automated compliance tool across the group, which has resulted in compliance status availability online, which can be reviewed and analyzed in the board on a real-time basis and hence reduce risks related to non-compliances. This is not only ensured no delays, but also saved, I believe, some of the panel costs which were used to go unnoticed, right? So on other compliances, there have been a host of management information reports which keeps a constant eye. We all know there is an old saying that what gets measured gets delivered. However, during these uncertain times, since the top line is not in control of the organizations, natural targets are to cut and control costs. It's very critical to ensure the organization is kept healthy and one doesn't compromise with the health of the organization. Hence, it is always a challenge to find a fine balance while looking at costs. Hence, to maintain some flexibility is essential. I think a lot has already been spoken on cost cutting, etc. So I will give it a pass. However, the way we are structured, I just give it an insight, is that we have like 30 odd businesses with 80 manufacturing locations across 7 countries. So the way we are structured is we have 30 separate business heads who are responsible for the profitability of their own businesses. The focus has been to revisit the budgets and have a close look at zero-based budgeting. We have internally given a target on reducing the break-even point and variabilizing the fixed cost, something which I spoke a little while back. All the teams did respond very positively when asked to generate ideas and execute them. People do understand that while they need to bring down the break-even points, there are areas which are non-negotiable, specifically relating to compliances. There, we do give them some flexibility on overall basis and let them make the choices. Overall, we did saw a significant cost reduction in last 12 months or so, and we are pretty confident that with the consciousness which we have spread on compliances, people know what are the right choices to be made and something where compliances are sort of non-negotiable for us.